Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make キャベツのごまマヨサラダ. It's very simple salad using cabbage and sesame dressing. Sesame makes it so flavorful and brings the whole salad to the next level. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this キャベツのごまマヨサラダ. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Cabbage. It's about 800 grams. 4 tablespoons each of ground sesame and mayonnaise. Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. And you can of course grind sesame seeds by yourself. 2 tablespoons of ponzu sauce and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Let's make the sesame mayo dressing first. You just need to put all these 4 in one bowl and mix. Sesame oil. Ponzu sauce. Mayonnaise. And ground sesame. Give it a good mix. And the dressing is ready. Very easy. While you prepare about 4 cups of boiling water, let's shred the cabbage. Remove the core. Then shred. Try to make it as thin as possible. Into a strainer. Same for the remaining cabbage. All shredded, and the boiling water is ready too. Let's put the strainer in the sink. And pour this boiling water all over the cabbage. This is to wilt the cabbage without cooking it too much. And let it sit for about 5 minutes. Left for 5 minutes and it's still hot. So let's cool it down under running water. Okay, let's squeeze it really well and put in the bowl of dressing. The salad spinner won't do this job, so you need to squeeze it using your hands. Take some and squeeze. Into the bowl of dressing. Squeeze it like you're torturing it. a lot of water came out from the cabbage. You don't need this, so you can throw it away. Mix the cabbage with the dressing. And it's done. Very easy. Let's serve in the bowl. And キャベツのごまマヨサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。Nutty aroma of the ground sesame makes it really, really flavorful. The cabbage is wilted, but it still has the fresh crispiness, and it's so, so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. キャベツのごまマヨサラダ is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and kabocha miso soup or any soup you like here. Whatever you like for the main. But how about 鶏のオイスターソース炒め? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!